How to use Google chatbots on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add and interact with bots in Google Chat to automate tasks and get quick information. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, tap on the plus icon to start a new conversation. From there, tap on Find Apps. After that, browse through the list of available bots or use the search bar to look for a specific one. In the next step, install a bot from the results to view more details about what it does. From there, tap on Add or Start Chat to begin using that bot. Once done, type a message or command to the bot in the text field at the bottom and tap Send. Following this, the bot will respond automatically based on the command or question you sent. Keep in mind, different bots have different commands and capabilities, so check the bot's description or type help within the chat to see a list of what that specific bot can do. Finally, go back to your chat and confirm the bot is responding correctly to your messages or commands. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Google chatbots, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.